it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood.
Good day everyone, I am Geraldine Pilar Hedremosa, 20 years old, and I live in Barangay Buena Vista, Surias Menya, Zamboanga del Norte, and I am a second year BEd student. Today, I will interview a person who experienced a life-changing tragedies and learn a lesson from her experience. Good day, Miss Jocelyn. Thank you for giving your time for this interview. But before we begin, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, good day. My name is Jocelyn Simandas. I am 19 years of age and I live in Labaki, Zamboanga del Norte, and I'm taking a Bachelor of Physical Education.
Miss Jocelyn, can you please share with us your difficult experience or tragedy that changed your life?
So the difficult experience that changed my life is when I was a grade 12. So my parents, akong papa ug mama niingon sa ako ang dili ko ka lampos or dili ko ka eskwela kay tungod kay mabuhos lang ko if magka-college ako kay natayuyab ko at that time. And katong istorya is murag sakit siya sa ako kay murag wala sila ikataw wala sila salin sa ako and gusto ko nga ako siyang i-change kay gusto ko nga makahibalo sila nga karang nga ang ilang istorya is dili karang dili nga ingon nga like dili sakto or dili na mahitabo tungod kay kauyab-uyab ko and gusto na ko nga i-prove nga ang ilang istorya is dili tinuod and makaya makalampos ko eskwela sa ako ang kuan and makuha na ko ang ako ang degree nga gusto na ko.
Yes, thank you so much, Miss Jocelyn. But I have a questions. What did you feel during that time?
I feel sad. Yes, sad kay murag wala sila salig sa ako and dili bitaw sila imong ako. Murag di sila confidence sa ako nga makalampos ko kung eskwela tungod lang kay uyab-uyab ko that time.
What lesson did you learn from that experience, Miss Jocelyn?
So, the lesson that I've learned from that experience is gusto na ko nga i-prove sa ila nga ang ilang istorya is dili mahitabo og through that experience kay ako nang himog motivation for me nga para ma-pursue na ko ang ako ang goal ug makabot na ko kung usay ako ang gusto makabot ug makahuman ko sa akong pag-eskwela.
Thank you, Miss Jocelyn. Next question. What advice can you give to others who are also facing challenges?
So, para sa uban nga like pareha sa ako ang sitwasyon nga ilang gina-face, ang ako may ma-advise kanila is padayon lang silang pag-eskwela and dili nila dibdibon kaayo kung unsa ang istorya silang parents and i-prove sa ilang parents nga bisan pa sa unsa nila nga dili karang walay salig ang ilang parents mo karang mo padayon gyapon silang eskwela para makalampos ug makabot nila ang karang pangandoy.
Thank you so much for sharing your story and experiences with us. Your story is truly inspiring and meaningful. After listening to her experience, I learned that even painful words and negative expectations from others can become a strong motivation to pursue our dreams. Instead of giving up, she chose to prove that she is capable of finishing her studies despite what others said about her future. Her story taught me that strength is not about avoiding struggles, but about continuing despite them. It also made me realize the importance of believing in ourselves even when others doubt us. Difficult words may hurt, but they should not define our future. What matters most is how we respond to those challenges. As it is written in Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This verse reminds me that with faith and determination, no negative situation can stop a person from reaching her goals. Overall, her experience inspired me to stay focused, work hard, and turn every challenge into motivation for success. That would be all for this interview. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful day.
I just had to let you know you're